chimwe chazvirengerera
izvo
mara drone idori kakisa
chitunga chikoplota something. This thing looks dangerous.
chonaka mara
chikonaka icho dangerous.
Anyways, welcome. Don't get the intro. Don't go to something.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries episode.
Episode, man. I need diva.
Hey guys, Venda office introduction. I don't shoot some of the intro. Hey. The intro is just champagne.
Champagne
I'm the movie that guy at the corner said we must bring you. The guy at the corner. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another episode of the Black Couch Diaries.
Coming at you live from
Venda.
I thought you said Dar es Salaam.
Ndoto thomongomra Venda because of ngandinda kuswetha ngani kodwa zwana ngamungazi ukupisa. Aningolipha la machero ni.
Ngaje sibinga zinondi 6:30.
Lampusurudzo nolipa ngamachero.
Lampusu alfana la.
Lali west.
Una lampusu na la chikudi.
Ndakakanda jina kila message ya spa. The worst thing ever.
Oh, magurani afala.
Because the cars. Yes, because now the cars ugothoma zvithu.
What twister? Okay.
Ugothoma zvithu. The cars, just go bora. Just go bora.
And people always say vari kodokora chivenda pisa. Fana utopisa mama. Kana nidzura pano kana dziri pano. You should say utovenda wa pisa. You have the right to.
We're not going to say ureni ngotonga ngori kupisa zvabukuma.
Yeah, usirotamba.
Anyways.
Nankamba zantu ti. Zamigeroni ngakhola. Wari chalepende nichimuzero watu adoniro. No mean but vako ni nyala kana watu adoniro.
Actually, I was drunk. That was a drunk voice note first of all.
Really?
But yeah,
sounded normal to me.
No.
I think I was around 2 a.m.
That's a voice note too.
I don't know how to AM. I think how to AM, yeah. Because no voice note namudukumeza because you the last in this.
That was probably the last thing I said. Oh my God, no, I don't think Baba Gombenga. I just think Baba Kompalito. Like I feel like and then I had to say single. Guys, like is it that bad? It's not that deep, guys.
What the people were looking at you?
Okay, Zonzo didn't talk to me, although we don't really talk, but you can tell when someone is.
They know you, and the fact that they've commented about you.
Yeah, he made sure. It's a don't you dare try face, like a. Avoid yeah, but hey, it was so weird. It was so awkward, really.
This space. I don't know. I'll say after this.
And I'm saying there's a lot. Guys, remember the thing we spoke about? Venda is actually so busy this weekend. You should see the traffic here. The traffic it feels like December.
Speaking of traffic, traffic okay for the bike mini. Dude, vehicles didn't have a bad and
oh, child.
Vehicles is go back Venda. Wewe nichiranga chitenzi mwana V-class kani Gino.
Chigenzi nandoni chidana V-class.
Like what?
Sense chanandoni chidana V-class.
Everyone has a black V-class or a white one.
Oh, bro, but it's good, guys. I love it for you guys. It's beautiful.
Bruh,
it's beautiful. I love
it.
When
chifumazi chifupi, chasokoraka ku V-class.
Yo.
I'll tell you yesterday ko
Saba welo bachifumazi chifupi. Chiraka V-class ndorafa. Nemarenga mfanira west. Manifesting. Smiling as indor. With red lipstick, guys. No, V-class India. Guys, Shred India would be in general.
Yeah.
Mara, that must just tell you how tomorrow is going to be. You can imagine how the event is going to be. People have money.
Also, even the day after Royal, I mean, if you're all white, last year for you I mean, in as much as you know, but you last year. Don't put after show because this is way too.
Whatever. That's not the all white. December. The annual.
The December.
I say September. Yeah, Arumbi.
Damn.
And I don't think I'll go this year. Oh no, Tiko here this year.
Kaimin, all right. Why? You going back?
Snap Sunday.
Oh yeah, so.
And the aprons and strings so we need to go get the money. So speaking guys, not the one I need.
Snap.
Need for promo ya mahar. Not the one I need Snap Sunday.
Kofuna ndo mute pala. Ndibuzori mute. Nitayekere se episode yana nkamba nga lodge yela yange. Nitayekere so wood.
Which lodge, guys? ndiyavala we
Exactly. Hello, Gerard. Okay,
guys but when you phone ndienda ndibona I don't watch. Dude, it's awkward. What do you mean?
I'm like, okay, 10 minutes in.
I go for the comments uri vathu vava khori mini. Then ndahumbula uri ndori mini. But hey man, guys, I can't say something then go listen to myself again. I'm the one that said it.
Okay, Mara.
So
I just let it play because of the money,
so
you know.
Snap Sunday, make sure you eat food. And we sell really good food, not like your
regular,
not your regular pap and what no. We sell like subs, we sell the wings you dream of. We sell good food, like real food, guys. Jiliwa javazana vachizvino good food. Zvilo zvine namsi nikona champagne ingala nazvo. Ningasibu ngwate busha nikona champagne, guys. Let's be honest. Let's be no like
and then also speaking
of
Snap Sundays, now speaking of Snap Sundays, did you realize the Lantio mover?
Hey,
like why?
Venue, it's bigger. The ticket is bigger.
Because I was like, hey, why was
you're not going to beef?
No, not beef. I know they're still together and all that. Yeah, why would they be beef?
If
I want to beef,
what were you thinking?
No, don't present a sorry. Hey, I followed the time. They was like, nah, this and this happened. Marpata was deep. I was like, nah, it's okay.
What happened?
What was deep? Don't know Zamara.
Oh,
this was like,
no, reason the space, eh?
Yeah, that's the reason. Mara, really, that was something chihuru.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, damn, wait, I move.
Yeah,
why they were pinrola? She's been speaking to Papirico. Really? What's Nepo?
Kushahold. And kuwana yo fingo of snap it's. The kushahold. The kwamba zone uri bachiri snap it's hers. The aprons and strings. Apron strings. Yo, I'm a very bad manager.
Why?
Ndo angori aina end.
Who are you managing?
Hoyu uchimla chibuza watu manager wanganai. Hoyu. Koi. And
funny enough, guys, no ni mnarola wapi ndi dodo mini wewe nani kuri mini because like what?
And mrano one wadodoti konurenga mataptap ndiso mufunira but it's okay.
I know Renata it's okay like chipinga usikwambia smara. I was like guys what do you mean Facebook yo tuko if une mralo mini I was like
that must show you urivatu friendship dzavo dziyabhora because if you can't say that to your friend leave that friend group ndinga survive petune ari rich budzanori you are very stupid. You need to tell me that twice a day or 3 times.
That's what's not there iPhone 15
exactly that's your friend group yo
yeah now lokadziso yawo ayi bathu baibo don't know guys a friendship
A1
no and then also remember the event here raw invite wakaila ya fashion.
Oh yeah, when last week
I think it was last week Rardobero Shika cause you know. So I was watching the videos that on I was like guys I know remain Mara don't you think but events are fun they don't want to put marketing cause too
or they don't want to pay for marketing
something like that cause
don't you think we have a budget?
But
it didn't look like a huge event, man. Like I feel like
it's like they wanted to have a huge event because the setup was cute and all that. It's like strong. I feel
like I've got one of the girls where so Obako posted behind the scenes. I've got her on Instagram. So I only saw that part. Tungo stage or chachi and don't wanna prepare the models our. But I just saw her clothes and I thought it was beautiful, but I think about Oriyobe. But I didn't even see a poster. I saw
a poster on TikTok. What else? Yeah, people posting on WhatsApp. And then so the thing could have been huge. And then if I was planning over the last two, somewhere because they were set up. It's like no, that's the film. That's Hollywood.
Yes.
Yeah, I love to.
I'll go check the pictures.
Yeah. So wait, you see a person walking past you.
Oh.
And then Apple got utonga like not an island. I mean, sort of an island. Okay. And then on the other side, runway wait our cycle.
That's nice. So that was cute then.
This idea, it's way too huge. Mara, you guys should like put money in
more
things.
Work, ne?
And
they were creative. Mara, I just don't think they had the money to put in marketing. Guys, marketing needs more money than ningaona marketing iko duro pira venue ina badela iko duro pira mini. And then duro pira event yote and nichi zvibaira na for word of mouth queen. Badombushera vangana vanga. But it's not enough. The truth is we all need good marketing. Mara vatavanya kubadela, so.
I was like, no.
And this is where we come in. Nandikanitela price ya fine. I already this serious, but.
I was like, guys, no, it's everybody, man. Podcast is your name. I'm not going to Facebook.
Dim simto yanga gig ya.
How no gig in the house. Marakawa de as almost that. Gig at that. Hey, I thought it was him, eh? Oh no, I'm too in the live event.
Oh, nice.
Then I'm like, hey.
No.
And then speaking of that also, ndabona which go feed the rates that make G don't leak. The advertising. Did you see them?
No.
I
think
it was 80.
That's good. That's fair.
Even the yeah, I was about to say that. Uri, if I say like that.
Asinji.
Because if make G 1 million, I go eat at 80. Someone need to eat at 10 rand.
No, the tuku. I don't think it's on. It's not zakari. Zingasipedza zamsi 1 million. Do you think was striped horse na mini beds? Zina chile de rumwe zula company they wouldn't pay.
Striped horse 500,000. Why it is I know that. Hey, una close 500 uribaka bakata deal they should pay 500k. No matter what they say. Kana batramba so controversial hani. They don't cancel the deal unless they pay them 500k.
Atiko hana but I'm saying nibono ngari company yononge ni like hapa 80.
That's not kamori.
Asiyon
that's not if bako konita 500 they probably can give them $1 million.
Yeah. No, ndizakari. Vangava chikubvisa uma 200 ngamwezi abala bathu.
Yeah, which is possible.
Probably a good 200.
Reasonable. And they to kwela chilede.
It's very small.
Oh, 80.
Yeah. People don't understand the power of marketing, and it's only on issue made that's when you're like, oh yeah, maybe I do need it. So people don't really take it serious like that. But anyways.
Last week I was watching the thing, yeah.
We are literally so all over the place. You know, Rotoma rekwambanga migero nrasya pedzisa. Ramove.
I thought maybe
no, ndori anondomwa.
And I'd ask you a question, Ori, what did you mean, Ori? It was awkward. Did you mean the space or the people?
Yes, the space. Like I don't know if for people that know it, ngapa matungo ka VIP.
What was ngolumiwa?
Izo.
Marakare panda.
In between ngapha matungo owodzula team ya Royal ngapha odzula ya makadzi. It was like a division.
Like
una bukati una hopira bukati. So ndi booth mbili. Abala bujingo booth abala bajiya ingoti. So and you know what the funniest thing was, right?
It is also number one.
The funny thing was
which is the same thing, yeah?
Look,
okay, just that is Dar es Salaam.
So this is it. Tini no bi abandi bo makadzi abandi Royal ati. Odzula hobe what this thing ya Royal yobe yone na bena nyana. Bukati never touch kubva bathroom. So the other guy, I'm not gonna say him. Apparently we had to shift this thing because Zonzo Odari para. So this thing should literally show it's on your side.
Zonzo drama, man.
I was like, what? It's just a banner. Like, that's if he really said it. So all I'm gonna come on, really, I don't know. Movie. I was like, wow. Okay. So the division is really serious. Mababa sina tunzibona.
Mazomo that sara gori.
Gori
Hela yo power korio chinyara.
Bene zadzo gori.
Nere ka dora fari wazo.
Marela gori asia makadzi ndi ya Telecom.
Eh,
ndiya we.
Maria's go chinyara, I think you are going to. Akaditwa playlist ya sharp. I know that's how he does it.
Ndomubona. I really hope she doesn't think we don't like her. We've never said anything
wrong.
Wait,
is that why they didn't talk to you?
But I don't expect them to talk to me.
No, wait. Where were you? That should be the question.
I wasn't sitting. Ndandiko Galavant and ndiko shower.
Manu Galavanta kaya side pia chiporo.
No, ndo yanda kai kabo diba ndo yanda rumilisa because I saw a couple of people that I know. So I went, I hugged a couple of people. Ngangi itingo ya totally urumilisa. Ndo rumilisa batunganda like the ones that never ka. And ndandiko shanda I could feel the energy and you know. Also I just didn't want to put myself in that position. Like, imagine nishike first of all, even on a normal day, you know, so why now? But I could feel the energy. I was like, nah, let me not. But anyways.
What comes this a diary?
Manager live. My manager.
Yeah, you were still saying.
Yeah, so I think but I felt like it was. I really hope this is not the beginning. chiga ichi ukudodzura khonani angasibona
Auna photo sabo M10.
Hey, uri obva aso.
Mara bathu va mudiva.
Ni ri camera dzari 360.
360 boom.
Ndi drone.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying uri femini. I really hope as you Toma Ndwaye, these people all need each other in terms of the entertainment industry of Venda is very good, man.
Bruh, like
we are doing so well, dude.
Imagine
We
havana this
host the
thing
best Nendi.
mashallah. Para Makazi, who else does events? Your alumni. All these but major.
I spoke to Vizo.
No for long as boy.
I know guys, I know. So you see, imagine Rene. No, I'm thinking he's thinking of all the things we say. So imagine a person like Mizwani Rakwera and Abrukawe is okay. Why would everybody else be mad?
Some people just don't need that publicity.
But when I was your Abruku, Ramba.
Nah, Zongo unyo praise you, I remember. Oh.
Anyways,
so I was like, hey. What's it I said?
Angasive
kajeni. Eh, pressa.
Make us so.
Right, if I be in the
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Apa shoot here. They should like merge right the event to cover.
They wouldn't do that.
Why though, Mara?
Because everyone can go delay.
When the bigger person.
Yeah. But anyways, but I feel like tomorrow, I just want to see how tomorrow unfolds. Although I know events of this go do Makati is gonna make money, Royal is gonna make money. Period. Everybody wins. Everyone is gonna win. I don't know event I'm just that Venda ro darango raro so.
Yeah, when I said bafuna to avwa no mtoti bakhona wena kunga milenje.
Bro, so
na pronounce strings. Anyways, nani khamba nga or if mean we been kontongisera the iPhone 15 Pro Max zabe. I know the rest tongisa. Utobera azazofunga camera.
No, guys, utoborisiwa na kuso. Niyazi kofunga rekonitongisa and arikoto. Ndikotonga.
Ofa I mean. Which is A1? Oh.
A1.
Ofi group A1 mean.
Roskombane A1 uri bavarerere vadosvika.
I will have an A1. Anyways,
you were saying what about iPhone?
Oh, so I saw the thing they dropped an iPhone 16T, and then that day we spoke about it. You know, back with the drop, and I know I don't ring to get the discount. I mean, I just want a 15 Pro Max. See? So I was actually thinking about how to drop iPhones, you know, and then in as much as it's a 16. To me, it was literally the same thing. So in already so would you say about 17, you still want to have it? Can it also iPhone do better on it? And I mean.
I don't care, guys. Remember that Divina Chitunga the features and whatever. I'm just there for the cameras. Call you Mpo. How can you go back with you?
Camera.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Or doing it at a mar. Oh, now after, okay. No, don't go after. But anyways, yeah. So, I don't care much
now
about
I believe
this.
the casting.
Serious. You guys go deep into it. Has what? Honey.
Nah.
I only found out Uri. As the AirPods Pro zina what sound? No, those one. I
isolation.
Uri. Okay, Uri come say like if I'm playing.
AirPods also. What first got AirPods, guys?
Pro.
Oh, Pro 3.
I don't know what Pro ngapanda una mean.
Okay, Pro 2.
I don't care. I don't mean it.
It's fine.
Mara, I didn't know if I'm listening to music. Ndahamba na muntu iyamphungudzela so that I can hear the person. For real, it does that. And then in Naidom, no, dude, it's I found out so many things that. Ne? Ndamba. What do you think?
No, because Naida,
as girls, we really don't care. Like, we really don't care.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What? If I
gifted?
I don't think so. I'm not so sure.
Okay.
Yeah, gifted.
Yeah, but it's fine.
Nah, and then so I was just like, not goes well. This thing it's a cult now. Because after twice in the realized what was I watching?
No one was.
And it was so fascinating until each pair.
I just want to know the colors that are coming. Is it cute enough? Pink. hausinapping.
Oh yeah, ndo na trader ini no.
Ndingabvisa boko ende dzikuita price nti I realize dziko dzoba dzikuita price.
Tawanya ni trader ini zvino.
Mara aituba.
Mara chiko dobva nga 20.
Mara pano idzo zvikalini.
Venda ish una.
Ndivona ungari ndatrader iyi ndingabvisa bwa.
Nah, not deep.
How much do you, cause the price nti how much do you think I would have to
probably like 5,000, a young 5,000.
I store.
Mean? No,
not hey abone.
Uko isa hino.
Hey 15. Ndishiko todo
just 16. Apedza aba bada. Nah, arikwana re-exaggerate mara osi 1,000.
No, more mutu ombudza ende hey price. That's
I know, none of them. No,
so if I want a 16 now.
I don't know kunya kwenda into 5,000. And royal rote senten at that time nichiri yani kunya kwa uma 5.5.
They never.
Ah, okay, it's for the check after. Roger na can't write a car store road table of it. Oh, eh, shombo.
Now bani pa mini.
Oh. Oh, 4th Gen.
Oh. Normal iPad Air.
Oh.
On 5th Gen. Yeah, iPad Air.
Oh, mara eh still.
Guys, so you are saying if I trade in, let's any ukud R&I is and could just 16 I can only ndingabadela 1,000 pezi.
I got in the ukur only pay 1,000 for this phone. Which is impossible. Ariko hano ringani so wait.
30,000 rand phone.
Exactly. Hemo na iPhone nendo na zamu trader in it.
Okay, storage.
Chimizan 256.
Now I'll show you price in Never.
Mara oh ngoro cheka.
Okay, anyways guys,
achani bona ngami mithi beyo. And then nakumla ngodubati uremuna do you just ignore if mean yeah collabut.
So that's what exactly.
It's fine. Ignore what's this thing called man? Yeah, ignore casual day.
You hone tubala bathu bashu bathu wele nne ndi bathu banga bala bathu.
Ngone neighbor banu. You should pay more attention to it because those people now mara uloko shema mini kind of uko swipo ko say. Ufuna nijwa chipanga madha current course.
Oh, you want send that video the casual za bathu casual.
Bathu casual.
Kan. Uchiriza zvimwe volumwe. Mimi mudzaone ngasizi really dzireke la DM ningasizifuna. Tivoni achide yana kirike katoli changa akoya wa mudzimuni. Mara we missed it bad, hey?
Badumpa 19. Okay. Robaka 1,000 raka 19.
Oh boy.
Alikodo rieka bathu uri over 4,000 zinopi 19. Ha, what is it? Nigga ba unga bo 10 nigga. Natijia. What is it? But anyways.
Yeah.
So that can be a lot. Why ignore a casual day? So just like that. Do you think you pay attention in high school only because you always have uniform? So is that day?
Na primary vana vakuimaiza. Nengono washo udzura ko da
zvipanga mimwa. Na musi ya mimwenda ndochibona. Ngomba chone.
Haungobiya mbudza chitunga chikipa.
Ndirokela.
Obo usuza heritage. Iyo itiwa yaba so yembrona chikipa.
Ina we apron apa panda.
We.
Chingashuma apron.
Chishuma apron things.
So, hey, nah man.
No, Roimaiza. I think Rekotomo Yangwa, it needs to come back. They need Nabo marketing again. It needs to go back.
Really? You think they should market it?
They must bring it back. Also, they used to do a lot. Now, Autonga Auche
how many people are watching TV now?
That's the thing.
So they should advertise
they should
on
be
YouTube,
on TikTok.
On Netflix.
Guys,
yeah, TikTok.
Do you need TV when you have TikTok? I
don't think so.
How about there's everything you want? Everything you need. Honebula butori honovela mutu okofia obopfuma basazvidivi obula bune abwanisiya muya
part 30 na mina burwa chipinga zvinobula butu. So hey nah man, so that was just I don't know chana chipinga hapo ngofuna atha kupindula ngori yor 19,000
for
was that 4 minutes
was that for
4,000 Kwari 4,000.
I
don't know to. I can't go
Let's continue. I feel like udor signal.
4 minutes I wanted to ask you this other time. What I was like, nice, but let it pass. Let's push pregnant. Oh, actually, someone said you look pregnant. They texted me. Why 9? No. Hey, no, remember, I don't go on a video. It was the thing. Isa to video, sorry.
Guys, I am not beating the pregnancy allegations because but I'm on a weight loss journey. So
Weight loss journey to cross the strings.
Do you look?
Ah,
No, I'm eat like veggie burger. I'm saying eat a breakfast and meat. Steamed vegetables.
So that
That's
that's thinking was the push present. I mean, what else do you think? Sort of a big social media because I hardly see it. Maybe pay too. Okay, comes in the one and the pass. Blog
men are liars. Men lie. They call it a push gift, but they want to drive it. They buy you a car they want, then call it a push gift. And then in for it's basically his car. No, it's just a way for them to get another car. Mara. Men are not good people. We need to start there. They will be selfish when it comes to toys. You guys love cars so much. So you cars.
No.
I know you guys wouldn't go buy. Push gift your green Indian and your phone. It's always something you would drive to. So
I don't know.
Then bro, you owe 9 even thought that.
Okay. Also, it was when I should come push parents that's good in a mini. When I play at pocket as push parents that the your glass necklace, all those things. I mean, what do you think of that? In kind of the grow per se, not as those
Bangwe baita una ola wa mami club Miss Manche every time achieve nangwana uwana like a if you mean la beg mngani Hammers.
So if MS.
Oh, if MS. The H is silent.
H is silent.
Oh, Hammers.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Then final the card go wrong a Galaxy boy. Not the lady I go compose a Galaxy boy.
Yeah, and then you got the door, right? You do it every day without fail.
Nah, it's fine. So guys, this was just a special one. Nyana, I mean, so
rough. Pinga uko date mi dola pesa ti.
Nah, ido rafa.
Okay.
Oh shit,
anyways,
camera.
Ndombo diumbura something. Speaking of Mami Club, yesu zo disavana to TV. Muro ndobona mwana wa Nunu Rai and I knew urindia and usina Nunu Rai. Echila Zidani ana kutia we molo.
Charenga noa.
Echila chicha chikogoro chipicho bipa wa Nunu Rai kama Mami Club. Ana kutia weti I could see uroter because one Mall of Africa.
Oh.
And wabona kama shopo mabiri, you know. In 2 stores.
You rengo nini?
Hai.
Ngana. Nunu Rai.
Ndotanga na irubi.
Tiko dales.
Hai man.
Ngani renga na Nunu Rai.
Ndandisa. Ndinyo warnda correct. Ruwa chere dale. Ezisi ndotsa mara ndabandi kumupfera butunguru bona ni zvino mwana kuwana mato because me over decide to mwana ka TV. I think let's as we face lost mwana ku aro do that's choice yao. Do you understand? And I don't already wezila comment about it to internet yangu.
Oh, ni lasho bipanya.
Ono ba mimi.
No, chona nakela to pass. Okay, I think
chona kena ngomu. Not pass.
It gets worse.
Ngomu ukwine. No,
I'm just
really.
Ango mama na mini. No, not pass. Like guys, like tukambora hazi papisi ro onaka.
Hana show.
Oyi wanga ngomdeni wa.
Yabona bathu hana show, unali show off. Hana show.
Artumimpo.
Yabona bathu.
So cut the show. Bye guys. Rene we out of here from Dar es Salaam.
Sweet and short. Ndimi?
Kofuna Rio.
Ngani?
So coming to you live from Dar es Salaam as he said, the gift over there, the gift over shower guys.
Just go to your
I'm fine. I don't know. Are those vurafa? Cut this vure fast.
Ni mini. Uzuroko that gift is champagne fan.
Hey, it was straight.
I don't get it.
How do I know which one is which?
Then you open and you see.
I didn't.
Unboxing video.
Not unboxing, mara nanganuri ingawe pio yon.
Ndiye. So like ndarawa nice yon nesiko namba zo raroms. Una difference ya mini?
Yantu ya chigubu.
Nego ndo.
Camera zero zang.
No ivulisa.
Box la mkele. Guys, look at this.
Zuko vagai.
Come on msizana nozira capital view.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Kunwele.
Sini vakakatini what?
Kofuna pala moji.
Dimini ni flask. Dimini is.
I don't know. You vutumo tito jivura na mna ndo chibona kazi. Dimini Stanley Cup.
Asichone mra.
If Stanley Cup.
Uko umbura mra Stanley chashu mra wa dole. Acha damshumoni.
Look at this.
Oh, guys, this.
Mara, I'm
Oh,
sure
I love how
know.
she put my name with. How did she know I love pink?
Hey,
Oh my God, this is so
asaboni.
cute. This is so gorgeous. Ufi nyimuza non.
Ufi Zivani Cecilia Taviso. Wait, chifandi chipi hapa.
Oh,
Zivani kani Taviso.
Oscoripa. Oscorita nje.
A rough na black couch.
Oh my word, guys. Yes, chuzonakesa.
Oh.
Ape tu
Ndi
ungapela
minimal.
photo.
I think the 750. What general trap? What is it though?
Mraro ene black hair uya pela ba. Black hair.
Mraro kafari cha wafa for the
Black.
flask na kana ni mini.
Mraro black hair with the jenapa.
So
Ni wale ono icha mraro wako toshkorika Miss Coffee.
Am I supposed to give out the number? Kana mini.
Please do. Please do.
Yeah, ti.
Nazi following, nazi page zao. Oh.
Ni flask? Eh, kuti te one.
Kuko roto
Don't
yo.
know.
I think you can drink anything off. Stainless
Eh?
glass.
Okay guys, so here's the thing, ti. Number phone za umti if or repabo permission rudo zibea hapa noni. Udobe
Naziendo.
yampo. Mara ndili ninganipa. Ndili watu DM ndizwa.
Yo guys, thank you so much.
Kofuna
It's
ndisi
so
na yeye
pretty.
ndili yaona.
And I don't do ikwasha hii.
Why?
Haini notakalesa man.
Oh yeah, so ufi
Aifare ni manager, ene umanager.
@zivani
Manager.
_taviso. Taviso ya B. Oh, mtu follow. It's fine.
Ne.
Oh, colorful conversations.
Oh, yamfollower.
Wait, unasi pen paint inokuita ntoni. If you guys.
MGB, yeah.
Yeah, did you
I
see
saw.
about it?
I saw. I think ndiya MGB straight ngondobona ngazi sponsor vala basi.
Ndobona yo ndio nini? Ndara wafa ndi alpha.
Guys, I need like ndorwa mumbulu wanga woguma for now. I'm doing so many things. So I need ideas if there's things that you guys feel like
We should
you
do.
would want.
You should do.
You would want
Plus
because paint
unafo.
at December. Just drop them ka comment
I even
section.
want this
I
December.
need to have one. I need to have. I just want it to be different, but I want to have one because I feel like it's lambiri ziyafana. It's taro nimbiri taro ziyafana exactly. So I want to do something different. I don't know. I wanted. Ne?
Poetry ni mean?
It's like a mug, like those ceramic stuff. No, it's okay. As well, something else like in terms of entertainment, like
Oh,
what they
yeah.
would want.
Your
I don't know.
likes
Would
of
they move?
uplift.
They move a venue, but I don't lose that touch as been painted.
From here. I don't know. It depends. Ask people whether maybe what about
Huh?
maybe what about that because
But
maybe the
perform
cool.
nganye mraro. Ndichikuita mini ndiko perform.
Kwa ngona zipoemo.
Mraro liya vada. Let's go chat them.
Ndine uwapha mativa. Muranga panda. We just speak about the albums that's over on the next one.
Ne?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song kaya Kamranga Panda? Let's just say that in closing.
Shigaza kana ndila yo peza. Shigaza ndiyo peza.
Shigaza ndiyo
Between Balabala and
Shigaza.
Yeah,
ne?
between the two.
No, nendifuna
I love the
yani.
interest, wow.
Unalungolwa it's like deep house
Ndiyo.
mara. It's I think ndiyo. No, before before
Rhino Solo.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh yeah.
No, also don't know about that girl, guys. That chef I'm a piano. I love
Ukwaruwa
like
mara.
soft. I think the
I feel like
I realized ndichibofuna so you know, mudabo nendo faro ox and it was soft. I was running. I was operating. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. And Ndoribu flask.
Oh yeah,
see you
thanks a
guys
lot also.
next week. Sorry for not dropping on Friday. Wrong, I apologize. But yeah. Hey, you could drop any
Dobona.
next week.
Dobona. Hey, sango promise about it. Mara yo droppers you know kuona ke.
Drop by Tuesdays I am. If you listen.
Yeah, so nane ndoribu wazawa Dzivani Cecilia. Ndo wangu ndorimi. Oh, Dzivani Taviso.
Mbudzeno pa muthu changwe dzina langa.
No.
Upfisisilia zvaumwe.
Kumlo akati wafunga tomo nchinyala mutambo. Vona chikukhatisa cho tiyo toma.
Ukotoma zvi.